23 ABC's Digital Update is brought to you by West Medical.
Good evening, I'm Keely Van Middendorp. Here's what's making headlines across the county. As the school year approaches, 23 ABC has partnered with Child Support Services for an event to help local families get ready and be prepared for when classes start. Every year, the agency holds a Ready Set Back to School event to donate backpacks and community resources to parents and students ahead of the new school year. Last year, due to the pandemic, Child Support Services held the giveaway in a drive-through setting. This year, 23 ABC is partnering with the agency to give out over 2,500 backpacks.
Sometimes family have limited resources, so it's our joy and pleasure to be able to provide a backpack along with a pouch that has some items to start them out. It's not a big item, but it's something that will help to reduce that stress or even the financial burden on a family.
And there will be other community vendors at the event to make it a fun and educational experience. It's all taking place tomorrow at the Kern County Museum from 9 a.m. to noon. And earlier today, the Bakersfield City Council approved a one-year pilot program that places a mental health clinician in the 911 dispatch center. That position is a partnership between Kern Behavioral Health and the Bakersfield Police Department. Tanya Mann from Kern Behavioral Health says the person in the new role, who's already been hired, will be responding immediately to calls deemed as mental health. Sergeant Pear from BPD says it will help officers focus on more criminal calls.
On an average, in a 6-day period, we get anywhere from 40 to 60 suicidal subjects. That's someone that is communicating with us or to another person that they're having suicidal ideations.
Mental health calls are the highest number of calls the BPD dispatch center receives. According to Kern Behavioral Health, having the clinician in the dispatch center would be one of the first arrangements in the country.
It was a very hot day today, but we do have some cooler weather on the way. It's not much cooler than average, but it is a big cool down. 105 your high temperature in Bakersfield today. Tomorrow's forecast, 98 degrees, so down about 7 degrees from where we were today. A nice drop. 98 again for Bakersfield and Arvin, 96 for McFarland, 85 degrees your high temperature at Pine Mountain Club. The desert, many of those communities up to or over 110 today. Tomorrow close to, but not quite as warm as that. The extended forecast showing that slightly cooler weather staying with us through about Friday, 102 and 101 Saturday and Sunday. So we get back to the triple digits there, and we hover around 100 degrees through about Wednesday. Some cloud cover in the forecast on Thursday, and also some breezier winds through our mountain and into our desert communities. Temperatures again staying a little cooler on Friday, falling again toward the end of the forecast.
And that's your latest news and weather update. For the latest update anytime, be sure to head to our website, turn23.com.